So we're lost, but pressing on, trying to find people. Apparently the GPX map is confusing us. More uphills.
There's no more tears to cry. So, I'm gonna
It finally happened. We've been planning longer runs for quite some time, but has been on hold because of the on and off lockdowns. This route is often used by endurance trail runners for years now. I read some testimonials from fellow trail runners that the route had some significant changes in terms of what they actually saw. It's intriguing, and we're here to find out.
Two and a half hours on the way to Malasya, then to Calaui's, Apia, basically the Wawa loop plus Antipolo route. Target distance about 50 kilometers. Doing a long one today. Only 3 of us so far. Well, only 3 of us for today. Choi and Clarisse, both fast runners. And I'm trying to keep up. Still early, just had our sunrise, so basically earlier we just kept on running because there's nothing to shoot. It's really dark and cold. It's gonna be a long day.
Okay, so we are here at Malasya proper. I think there's some festival going on. Look at over here. It's pretty festive. Yeah. So far we're doing good time, I think. And I'm just gonna replenish our water before we go on to the next mountain, which is, what's our next mountain?
Now we're going to Apia, Sitio Apia.
Sitio, Apia. Simon is sleeping because he's sleepy. Troy is fixing his stuff.
out Sitio Apia. There's the dam construction. Soon everything's gonna be underwater. There's the dam. This is Calawis now. Look, look. Major construction, trucks everywhere. People everywhere. Even cranes. Jeez. Wow, who would have thought? This used to be a trail, now it's a highway. It's part of the old Wawa loop. Now we're just shocked. We even have railings and all the signage. It's now a complete highway. Yeah. Whew, never-ending road in Calawis. Crazy.
At this point, we were informed that the store where we're supposed to resupply on the summit of Kinapuin is closed. We were left with no choice but to skip the summit and head back.
Still have long uphill. But we're doing it one step at a time.
It's 36 km in.
Yep.
It is 11:20. 2 km gain.
Yeah, punishing ourselves all the more. It's not the drought. It's the heat.
It is.
It's the heat slowing us down. So we have so many pit stops. But that's part of the game, part of the training. It's Wawa. Glimpse of it. And look at Casili. Sorry, they're not letting anyone in. Wrecked.
Sige lang, kakarga yan.
So we're lost. But pressing on, trying to find people. Apparently the GPX map is confusing us. More uphills. So we're lost. We're in Mount Purro. Unplanned. So we might go down to Lanawan, then left to Casili. Not our plan, not the original route. Here we are, no choice. I never expect we'll be back here in Lanawan, but the ridge line is already destroyed and the stairs going up has been cut. It now merges with the big road, so basically the destination is not good for tourism anymore. So goodbye, I guess. This might be the last time I'm gonna be here, or anyone would try to be here, because it's not really, I don't know if it's worth visiting still. But the river is so beautiful. Sure, when I go for a dip, yeah, maybe, but it's gonna be a long, arduous trek. is truly a character building activity. What? Hello, trail guide. Dogs accompanying us. A bit of breath of fresh air, keeping us, cheering us up in this time of dreadful hours because of the heat mainly. Thank God that we were able to come across some residents to give us water because we ran out of fluids. But we're still, battle's not over yet. Still a long way to go.
There's no more tears to cry. So, I'm gonna...
So, few good residents rescued us again. When I say rescue, gave us water. They were kind enough to show us a shorter way because apparently there are a lot of changes here. You cannot cross anymore. There are no more boats, and they're mining, so a lot of reroutes. Okay, up we go. Steep again. Thought we're doing all flats. So basically, we slept and Clarisse kept walking back and forth, so just she could finish the 50 km distance.
Yeah, it's tiring.
Last part, downhill for an end of run. It's a prolonged run. It's we get to test ourselves, our fortitude, patience, and teamwork, and happy to do it again. Type 2 fun. End of line, finally 50k. Congrats, Clarisse. Good job, Troy. Just 3 of us, good dynamics, we enjoyed it. Can't see my face. Just waiting for the boat, and then we're gonna have a mini celebration